Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from quadrilaterals of ninth class. Okay, the question is ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle DAB equal to 75 degree and angle DBC 60 degree. Compute CDB and ADB. Let us draw the figure. Yes, this is a parallelogram A, B, C and D, and a diagonal from D to B is drawn, and this part is 60 degree and this is 75 degree. We have to find this one and these two angles we have to find. Okay, so for now what we know, angle A, angle CBD, we both know that. Okay, so what we have to find, angle CDB and BDA or ADB, right? So first take the, in parallelogram or in a quadrilateral, sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle here B means, okay, B equals to 180 degree, but angle B is divided into two parts, no? What is that? Angle CBD plus angle DBA. Okay, substitute this in the place of B. Angle A plus angle CBD plus angle DBA equals to 180 degree. Angle A is given 75 degree and angle CBD is given 60 plus angle DBA equals to 180 degree. So this what you will get, 135 degree plus angle DBA equals to 180 degree. Next, angle DBA equals to what happens, ma? 135 comes the other side and becomes negative, that is subtraction we have to do. So angle DBA equals to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4. So 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Now we have to find BDA. How to find? If I consider triangle ADB, right? Triangle ADB. Angle A plus angle DBA plus angle ADB is equals to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle, right? So angle A is 75 degree, angle DBA is 45 degree plus angle ADB equals to 180 degree. So angle ADB equals to 180 degree minus this, what you will get, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, 12, 120 degree, which is equals to angle ADB equals to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Now in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, right? Opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle D equals to angle B. But what we know, angle D is angle BDA plus angle BDC equals to angle CBD plus angle DBA, right? So we know all the three angles except BDA, means this we don't know. So angle BDA plus angle BDA is nothing but this angle we know, sorry, BDA we know. What is that? 60 degrees plus angle BDC. BDC we have to find. So angle BDC equals to angle CBD. CBD means 60 degrees plus angle DBA. DBA, that is 45 degrees, which implies angle BDC equals to 60 plus 45 is 105 degree minus 60 degree. This 60 comes the other side. So what you will get? 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Therefore, what is asked? Angle CDB equals to CDB or BDC, or angle BDC equals to 45 degree, and angle ADB equals to 60 degrees. Understood? So to complete this program, we have to know the properties of parallelogram first of all, and small formulae, rules. So, angles and rule of a triangle, adjacent sides of a quadrilateral is always is always 180 degree. Okay, these are the important points to know to compute the problems. If you have any doubts, please say that in the comment section.